Hi there, Joe Vitale with American Retirement Advisors here with a weekly market update. The U.S. stocks were mixed last week with the S&P edging down about zero point 0.3, the Russell down about 1.28, and the NASDAQ up about 0.57. The unemployment was stronger than anticipated, providing more of a positive backdrop. The best performing U.S. sectors were technology and healthcare. The worst performers were energy and materials. So we're heading into the third quarter earnings right now with a consensus projected of about 4.1% earnings decline versus extremely strong earnings report about a year ago. Per usual, we believe actual earnings will exceed expectations by about 3%. So the following quarter has easier comparisons that are likely to rise. Thus, we don't anticipate two consecutive quarters of decline, which would be a recession. We don't see that coming for a little while yet. Fixed income, interest rates fell with bond values rose last week, with the benchmark of 10-year U.S. Treasuries ending the week at 1.52 yield, down about 17 basis points following a disappointing report from manufacturing. We will be listening to the Fed Reserve Chair speak today, but at this point, expectations are high that the Fed will lower interest rates at their late October meeting. So economic data, the unemployment rate fell to a 50-year low according to the latest job numbers released on Friday. Although the September numbers were shy of expectations, the prior 2 months were adjusted significantly higher, and wages are up about 2.9% a year over a year's basis. Let's talk about company news for a minute. Apple, a G50 holding, and a Core Select holding, and Skyworks Solutions, a G50 holding, rose on Friday following a report that production of Apple's new iPhone 11 is running about 10% higher than previously expected, driving demand for components. And then the Apple and Skyworks stocks rose 3.7 to 4.1% respectively for the week. Now, Johnson & Johnson, which is also a G50 and a Core Select holding, surprised investors even with a settlement involving two Ohio companies ahead of an upcoming opioid trial, which should increase clarity on the company's potential for liability on future lawsuits. And in doing so, investors' attention should shift back to fundamentals. Shares rose 3.9% for the week. Now, if you have any questions on recent market news and how it affects your portfolio, give us a call at 855-756-5700. Want to wish everybody a happy fall. Hope you're all doing great. And please feel free to reach out to us with any questions.